What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got an interesting one. It's gonna be a little bit of BMW content, but my cousin hit me up because he has a low-key pickup truck that he is installing an exhaust on. You never really see this pickup truck being done right or being modified at all. I mean, I don't even know a lot of people that own this truck, but we're gonna be doing a quick little install. We're gonna do a before and after of the exhaust, and then I'm gonna give him a ride in the M3. I don't think he's been in an M3 before, so I'm gonna just show him the difference, right? Because we both came from Hondas. He always had like some really nice Honda Accords, and that kind of gives you a hint about which car we're gonna be modifying today. But without further ado, let me introduce you to my boy. All right, so here we have my cousin Nono. Say what's up. So I'm exposing a little bit of what we're gonna be working on today, but I was telling everybody that you always had very nice Hondas, and we both came from Honda Accords. And later on I'm gonna give you a ride in the M3, but let's show them what we're gonna work on today. We got a Honda Ridgeline. That's a low-key pickup truck that not a lot of people have or modify, and he got a full catback exhaust.
Yeah, so it's a 2.5 catback exhaust with the dual tips. There are different variations of the Ridgeline with the single exit.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, it's gonna sound nice. Right now it's a little droney.
So you have something on right now?
Right now I got both of the big resonators cut.
Oh, okay,
So
okay.
it's like a little straight.
Like a straight pipe, almost.
A straight pipe, yeah.
Okay.
For sure. So
cool, so we're gonna get onto the car and then we're gonna install this one. And this is like the ultimate daily pickup truck.
yeah,
Eventually I'm gonna get a pickup truck, but not right now. He's always had like his tools super clean and neat, very meticulous. So I'm gonna show you a little bit about what we're gonna do.
oh, piping now, the beauty of this bad boy.
So those are the tips?
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Nice 4 inches.
Those are 4 inches?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, those are gonna look good. And with the dual exhaust. And then this is aluminum, I'm assuming, or stainless steel.
Stainless steel. Stainless
steel.
All stainless. This is a cheaper option as well, but
MBRP. All right, we're gonna do the before clip so that you guys can hear what it sounds like before he makes a change. It's a 6-cylinder?
Yeah.
Shit, sounds good. Yeah. But you said it's a little bit droney, and that's why you're gonna...
That's what I'm changing.
So then this exhaust, let me see, it's a little dark. This exhaust goes from the cat, and then he's adding a resonator, so it should purify the sound a little bit more, and then obviously to the dual exit over there. So I'm just gonna catch overall like the install. I'm not gonna do a DIY, and then we'll get the after clips. Is this turbocharged?
NA.
It's NA?
Yeah.
I hear like a little whistle, bro. It sounds much cleaner than before.
Much cleaner, right?
Yeah. Guys, it sounds much cleaner, not gonna lie. It doesn't sound like it has the drone that I had before. But now he's checking for exhaust leaks. And then we're gonna go in my car and give him a couple pulls. What do you think, bro?
Oh, that's way better.
It sounds much cleaner.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and I wanna hear like under load too. Because before it did sound a little drony, now it sounds much cleaner. And tell them why you bought this exhaust.
Oh, so because of that, I went to Throtl, which you get $1 entry. So I might get that BMW.
Throtl is giving away a BMW, so he bought this exhaust to get 1,000 entries.
Technically, it's a BMW, but the Supra.
Oh, okay.
So,
it's a BMW.
Yeah, it's a BMW. So
we might see him in a BMW. I mean, or a Supra, whatever. A Bupra. There you go.
A Bupra. So
we might see him in a Bupra if he wins. I mean, he's got 1,000 entries because he got this exhaust. So let's see. Now we're gonna see if you like BMWs. We're gonna go in my car.
Oh yeah, for sure.
All right, let's go. It's not even fast. It's, you know, 400 something horsepower.
Sounds nice.
We're just gonna do some calm stuff. Nothing crazy.
Something light.
Stop, bro. It's only, you know, what is it, 473?
Okay.
Well, apparently they underrate their cars. That's what they say.
Let's see what it's about. Got the little burble going on.
Little stock burble action.
Okay.
It's light, it's light.
Broke my little nail. I'm like, whoa!
It got a little crazy. I'm not gonna spin it.
Sheesh. Looks like I need a bimmer now.
Huh?
Looks like I need a bimmer now.
You're glad you got the freaking raffle, huh? Let's see if you win. Hopefully you win.
If I get that Supra.
Let's just do a little highway pull, and then I want to do some turn too, so you can feel like the buckets, because you like don't move at all.
This is the first time I'm in buckets.
Yeah, and it's not bad to get in, right?
No.
And to stay in it.
Yeah, it feels comfy.
Yeah, like a lot of people are worried about the comfort of the seats, but once you're in, they're super comfortable. Damn, these roads are so bad. That's why we gotta get off them. Same thing with the Supra, I'm not sure, but hopefully you get that.
Yeah,
hopefully you get that.
That'll be crazy.
Yeah, nice little daily with the truck, and then you got the Supra as the project car.
That's the goal. Hopefully, if not, maybe in the future get something later on down the road.
Yeah, but hopefully I convinced you with this car.
Yeah.
And later on, when I do stuff to it, it's not gonna be soon, but when I do stuff to it, like we'll do another drive.
Yeah, for sure.
Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did like it, make sure you drop a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.